Okay. Close your eyes as we go through. I got everything laid out, and it's been laid out for a minute. I have to say, about a week, and ain't did nothing yet. So I got my crud cutter so I can clean my cabinets. I got taking some of the stuff down. All the decorations are down. And today we are going to be changing shower heads. So we're going to take this shower head that has the long hose that you can take off and use to clean the shower. We're going to be putting that on. And we're going to take off this one. So we're going to get started. And this is probably about 10-15 minute job. It's not very hard. It's really easy. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this camera trained on my shower head, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the old shower head. So I'm gonna step over in here. So to remove the old shower head, all you have to do is unscrew it. Now you might have to use a pair of pliers to grab it, to loosen it up. Mine, I've already loosened it up. So you're just gonna either loosen it with your regular pliers. You don't really need the big pliers. You can just use a regular pair of pliers. You're gonna take your shower head off and get wet. Woo! I got out the way in time. Once you take the shower head off, you're gonna make sure there's not a little bolt in there, and then you're gonna take off the tape that's around here. You're gonna take the thread of tape around there. Okay, that's part one of the job. So the shower head is off, the tape is off, and then we're gonna put the new shower head on. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna show you what comes in this kit. So we have the shower head. We have the hose. We have the bracket. And we have some Teflon tape. So the first thing we're gonna do is put the Teflon tape on the this little thing, whatever it's called. So we're gonna put the Teflon tape and we're gonna put it around the threads of this pipe. That's what it's called, a pipe. So I should have brought scissors. Stephanie. Well, we're gonna sit that right there so I can go get some scissors. I didn't have to go far. So once we get the Teflon tape on there, we're gonna put the bracket on. And all I'm doing is just rub my hand around there so it's on there. So next we're gonna take the bracket, put the male to the female end, not the male to the male. Put the male end to the female end of the bracket. And make sure you put it on straight and you don't want to cross no threads. So I'm gonna have to tip-toe and turn and get in front of your viewpoint. Okay. So I'm just gonna tighten it up. You do not have to use a wrench with this. You just hand tighten it. And so when I do this, I want to make sure that this part is facing down, okay? Want to make sure that that part is facing down. Hold 1 second. Okay, sorry. I have to answer the door for Amazon. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to connect the hole. I'm going to love this. My shower is filthy already. I mopped the floor and I poured it in the shower. Because I knew I was putting this on here today, and I know I'm going to have my handy-dandy shower hose. So I won't have to come in here and use a cup of water to throw it and miss everything and all kind of stuff. So we're going to connect the hose. So this part goes on here, and you have to make sure that the washer is seated in there. You're going to take out this little, mine has a little plastic cover on it. I guess that's to make sure the washer doesn't come out. So you make sure it's a washer inside. And I'm going to screw it on. Again, I'm going to make sure that I don't cross thread it. Make sure it's seated firmly. And I'm going to finger tighten. Everything is finger tighten. You do not have to use your wrench. Or hand tighten. And we're turning clockwise. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so we're turning clockwise, and we're almost finished. The next thing we're going to connect is the actual shower head. We're going to connect that to the other end of the hose. Again, we'll take off this plastic covering. Make sure that washer is in there, seated down in there. Mine came out, so I'm going to make sure that washer is in there correctly. It didn't come out. It was almost about to fall out. And we're just going to connect these parts. And again, hand tighten, make sure it's seated correctly. And turn clockwise. Uh-oh. Messing up my goal. Okay. So once we do that, we're going to take our hose, and we're going to put it down in there. Oh, man, that shower, that ain't going to be in my head. Okay. And the way we check it is, we're going to turn on the shower and make sure that it's not leaking. So give me a second while I get all this stuff out the shower. I got my equipment in here, and then we'll check the shower. Okay, let's point toward the shower head now. We're going to be making sure it's not leaking from here, here, or here. Them are 3 connector spots. Here, here, and here. I hope you can see that over my head. Okay, so let's turn on the water. Maybe I should turn it that way. I wanted to. Okay. No water. No water. No water. Good to go. Yes. Okay. What's this little button for? Oh, okay. I guess I'm going to take it down. All right. And that is how you change your shower head. I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm going to put it on pause for a second. And we'll be right back. Okay, now here comes the fun part. So, I'm going to use my power paste to clean my shower. Y'all know I'm always about a free advertisement. I love this stuff right here. I really love this. I use this to clean my stove. Not this particular one. This is the one for the bathroom. But I'm going to use this to clean my shower. I always do. However, I have to take a glass of water and throw it on the shower. But now I got the shower head. I'm good to go. So this is about the end of this video. I'll let you see me clean this and give you a little speech as I do it. But thank you so kindly for joining me. And let's get the shower clean because it is a hot mess. Look at here. Yep. So I'm gonna get started on this and get it looking fresh and so clean. Thanks for joining me. All right. So this is the end of the video. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. For my returning subscribers, thank you. Welcome back. For those of you who are new, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. For both of you, go ahead and hit the bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Again, thank you so very much. Looking forward to this upcoming holiday season. I'll be doing a lot of home improvement and a lot of crafts and decorations for the house. Enjoy your day. See you next time.
You want something special?
We'll do something else later, but I'm just using what I have for now. So my shower head is in. Beautiful. And since that was a gold shower head, that's all they had on sale that day, y'all. I was gonna spray paint it, but I was scared I wasn't gonna be able to match that. So since this shower caddy was brown and matched the shower, I went ahead and spray painted the shelves in there, and I spray painted the shelves gold so they could match the shower head, the new shower head.